So, to first open Internet Explorer, we need to create a new text document. You can name it whatever you want. Open it. Then we need to paste these commands. Then save and close. After that, rename the text file ie.VBS. Yes. To enable them, go to File Explorer. Make sure you enable file extensions, otherwise the .txt will not be visible. To enable it, go to File Explorer, then View, then Show, File Name Extensions. Make sure it's ticked on. After that, if we double click, you'll see Internet Explorer opens without being forced to edge.